Hey guys, welcome back, and if you are watching this video, please stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you guys Mando in his truest form. So this video is going to be a little bit about Mandalorian. And how do you guys like the news about the new, I don't know if it was a trailer or if it was just news about Mandalorian Season 2. But there is going to be another one, of course. But that being said, Mando, we are about to go in. What do you guys think this is? What do you guys think this is? All right. What do you guys think it is? Isn't that chrome? What is this? Okay, so long story short, I got this from Pop Shack today. It always sells out, or it's been selling out ever since it got released. So let me give you guys a good look at how chrome this thing is. This is huge. This is the 10-inch. This is not 10 inches. This is, look at the size difference. Wow, that's big. Just to let you guys know, that's a 6-inch. This is, maybe it's 10 inches, maybe. We are gonna unbox this. As you guys can already see, I just barely got it home. I don't even know if they even make a pop protector this big. So we're gonna actually phew, I ain't got the yawns right now. We're gonna use my handy dandy. I don't wanna, there we go. I was like, there's gotta be a back thing over here. So I was like, how did they, oh, so look how clear that looks now. As you guys can see through the little mirror slash window, I'm wearing my my Gohan shirt. It's really comfortable. I'm surprised at how that is going into the garbage. That just looks so chrome. You guys can basically see how I look even through him. So it's Mandalorian with the child. This one's with the child as well too, but he does not have his Beskar armor. And I think this one's different than like the Amazon exclusive one. As you can see, even the baby Yoda looks like he's maybe give or take 3 inches. Whew, I got the yawns right now, guys. All right, so this is $380, and we're gonna take a look at the side. I extensively made sure that there was no markings, no creases, none of that. So I got like the best of the entire bunch. And what's behind here is Gohan. All right, so I am gonna bear hug this. What a scene. I haven't showed you guys this, but Gohan's glow is sick. And then you have Kale and you have Broly, and then, but guess what? This video is about Mandalorian, so you get the side view. I need to take this out ASAP because, oh, I think one of my installations is done on my Nintendo Switch. Okay, so I forgot they have tape on the back over here. So let's see. Is this big enough to... can see like you get all that in the back. I cannot wait for Mandalorian 2. Them to come out with even more stuff with that. Just because that might be like the, what is it, biggest trending thing right now. Let's just box this carefully. All right, so with my knife, I took this out. Let's see if I can use this part to open it up. All right. So I got that part open. Yes, it's easy. It's fresh. And they should always have like the Mandalorian music like anytime you like open up something. Like this. This is big. But this is big. Okay. I think I am going to have to pick this up from the ground. So let's put that over there. Alright guys, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Yeah, give me 1 second. Alright guys, so this thing is huge. And I haven't... Alright, so... let us take this up without dropping it, because if I drop this thing, I'm gonna be embarrassed. Alright. Holy cow, dude. When they mean chrome, man. Just look at that, bro. Like, you can see everything in here. Hold on a second. This guy's like a damn mirror. Even my Gohan fell. Alright, so let me put my Gohan back up. Let's see if I can make some room over here somehow, some way. Alright, so let me show you guys what a 6-inch looks like. 6 inches Broly, and Broly comes to about right there. But that doesn't mean he's not bigger. So, you guys can see he's, of course, way wider. Like, that stand, though, man, is sick. And just the armor, bro. Oh, my God. Dude, this is sick. This is, like... yeah, this shouldn't have been, like, damn, 27 or whatever it was, $30-something. This should have been, like, almost, like, 50. Just look at the chrome on that. Whoa. Interesting. I'm like, what the heck is that? I might need to actually exchange that, or I don't know. Because I didn't do that. But you never know. Imperfections are imperfections. So this is the Beskar armor. You can see there's chrome right there, chrome right. So it's chrome right there, chrome right there, chrome right there, chrome over there. He's like smiling. I love that. That's so cool. But this is the Mandalorian. That looks nice, doesn't it? That thing is huge. So like these are like your regular 4-inch pops like that. And then this is a 6-inch. His head alone is like as big as both of them. I think that's cool. And then we'll try to compare the original Mando. Just look at the size difference. That chrome though, man, is ridiculous. Worst case scenario, I can always just either paint over it. I don't want to, but I'm like, yo, that's not a deal breaker totally, because I'm gonna keep it out of box, but I'm like, yo, what the hell? That's like a paint, maybe a paint chip, but I mean, you'd have to open every single box though, you know, but I'm not gonna do all that. I love it the way it is. Like, this is awesome. This is definitely like a sick piece. Cool, so let me put that down there. And let's see, we got this Mando, that Mando, those three right there. Money shot right here. So cool. Awesome. So now that I've showed you guys that will be the end of our video. Gohan looks so sick, by the way, but yeah. Chrome Mandalorian, that is awesome. You guys need to get your hands on this. So the child's right here, and then the child is right there as well too. So I will see you guys on the next video.